भैया कितने का है ये? पचास की 40। कितने का है? 40 का। दो ले लो। दो लेना है। दे दो 70 रुपये और क्या। दो ले लीजिए भैया। अलग अलग रंग का दीजिएगा, अलग अलग कलर का। Hello and welcome back to Traventure. So today we are not making any travel video. It's a comparison video and we will try to see how high a sky lantern can go. So I will try to fly this lantern. At the same time I will fly my drone. So you will get to see how high it can go. So as we know, this is the Diwali time and every next person is flying it, but we actually don't know how high it will go. So still I have two lanterns with this, so in case if it will crash somewhere, we can fly another one also. So let's watch this video, and I have my friend Saurav here who will help me with this video. Saurav Aditya. So let's record it. Okay. Hi. So this is Saurav Aditya and he is doing the unpacking. So this is the sky lantern. And supposed to be the fuel that goes with it.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
अरे जल जाएगा
कैमरे में से हट जाओ।
सीधा कर
कह रहे हैं हट जाओ वो फ्रेम में हट जाओ।
ट्राई कर जा रहा तो छोड़ दो।
We haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So our first sky lantern got stuck in the tree, and Adi is making another one now. So we have three. One got lost already. As you can see, it is in the trees already burning. Down. So this is the second one. or and this one also unsuccessful trial. Come on Adi, सही है सही है.
ठीक है छोड़ें जा रहा है कोशिश तो कर छोड़ो यार देखो यार जल जाएगा
छोड़ो 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 ना, अब जाएगा. ये
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
we have finished the video and we have done three lanterns, because the three we were trying to fly in the morning all were like bad one. Two of them got fire, one got stuck somewhere on a tree. So the next one we tried it very well, and I was able to chase it with my drone also. It went almost, one went to the height of almost 50 meters, another went almost 90 meters. So enjoy this video. If you like it, Please subscribe our channel and like it, share, so people will get to know that what they are using is a thing which is going almost to the 90 meters. And we have another one here. Adi is trying to fly it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.